Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? It's Miss Vicky B. Remember when I did my last Grove unboxing of 2022 and I did this? I thought I ordered more than this. I guess I didn't. Well, I actually didn't get all of my products. I thought about it throughout the day and I was like, I know I ordered something else. So when I got home from work that night, I checked my Grove order from the one that had just came in, and I was missing my Wood for Good cleaner. So I emailed them, and the next day they gave me an $8.01 credit, which was what the product costed, plus a $5 credit for my trouble. So I went ahead and made a small Grove unboxing so I could get my wood cleaner because I really needed it. So today I'm going to show y'all what I got. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Let me grab my glasses in case I need to read something. Okay, here's the wood cleaner. Method Daily Wood Cleaner. Almond scent. I use this all the time and I was getting a little low, and that's why it was on my mind that I didn't get all my products, because I knew I really needed something, and it was that. So then I also ordered this. I've never tried it. 7th generation wood cleaner, and it's lemon tree garden scent. So I'm not usually super crazy about the 7th generation brand, but that lemon got me. I'm really wanting to try it. So I ordered that to go with it. And some Method glass cleaner in the waterfall scent. I got me some walnut scrubber sponges because I'm getting really low. I think I'm on my last sponge right now. And you guessed it, one more thing of Mrs. Meyers peppermint. I had to do it. I couldn't help myself. So that's all I got in that Grove order. And the only reason I ordered was because I wanted my wood cleaner. But I had to order so much for them to send it. So I just ordered until I got to the amount I needed for them to send it, and then got my stuff. And they were very nice about it and gave me the credits and everything. So y'all can hear Mila down here playing with her toy. Say hey. Little meanie. Anyway, that's the end of the video, y'all. I just wanted to show you what I got from Grove. And y'all have a good day. See you on the next video. Bye.